In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the backlog feature in Jira. This process is essential for those working with Scrum projects as it allows for better organization and prioritization of tasks. Now, before we get started, please ensure you have access to your Jira account and the necessary permissions to make changes to your board. Let's dive right in. First, open up Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer and log into your Jira account. Having these preliminary steps out of the way ensures you have access to all the necessary tools and features Jira has to offer. Once logged in, make your way to your board by navigating to the top of the screen and clicking on Boards. From there, select the Scrum board you want to work on. Remember, for this particular guide, we're focusing on Scrum boards, so if you're working with a different type, certain functions may vary. Next up, we need to access the board settings. Look towards the top right corner of your board and you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From there, select Board Settings. This is where you can fine-tune the settings specific to your board, including enabling your backlog. Now that you're in the board settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Columns. Within this section, you should see a configuration page where you can manage your columns. Here, you want to ensure there's a column labeled Backlog. If you find that it isn't already configured, don't worry. You can easily create one by dragging issues from your backlog into a new column. Alternatively, some Jira configurations offer a simple checkbox labeled Show Backlog. If you see this option, go ahead and check it to ensure your backlog is visible. If for some reason you don't see the backlog column or option available, it's important to double check the type of project you're working on. Make sure that it's a Scrum project, as Kanban projects use a different workflow and don't support backlog in the same manner. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, navigate back to your board by clicking Back to Board. You should now see the backlog section displayed prominently on the left-hand side, just above active sprints. The backlog plays an integral role in task management, allowing you and your team to prioritize and organize work items effectively. It's that easy. By following these steps, you'll have your backlog up and running in no time, providing you and your team with better visibility and control over your project tasks. So, whether you're allocating tasks for a sprint or simply getting organized, having that backlog visible and accessible can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this